Hello? Tonight is something new for me. I've never tried speed dating before. To be honest, I'm a little nervous. I'll have 10 minutes to talk to each person. Maybe I'll meet someone interesting, or maybe I'll just make a new friend. Let's go inside.
Good evening, everyone. Welcome to Speed Dating Night. We're so happy you're here. Tonight, you'll meet several new people. You'll have 10 minutes to talk. When you hear the bell, please move to the next table. Relax, smile, have fun, and most importantly, be yourself. Good luck.
Thank you. I'm excited.
Here is your name badge. Please wear it where everyone can see it. Your first table is number 3.
Thank you very much.
Enjoy your evening.
I'll try.
Hi, is this seat free?
Yes, please sit down.
Thank you. I'm James. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. I'm Anna.
So, how are you today?
I'm doing well, a little nervous. What about you?
Honestly, I'm nervous too.
Really? You don't look nervous.
That's because I'm very good at pretending.
That's funny.
So, tell me a little about yourself.
I work in an office. I enjoy learning English. I love traveling, reading books, and walking in the park. What about you?
I work as a graphic designer. I also love traveling, and I have 4 cats.
4? Did you say 4?
Yes, Oliver, Luna, Milo, and Bella. They're all different.
That's amazing. I don't even have one cat.
Would you like one?
Maybe someday. 4 would be too many for me.
My friends say my apartment belongs to the cats. I just pay the rent.
That's probably true.
Do you like movies?
Yes, especially romantic comedies. They always make me smile.
Me too. I also enjoy adventure movies.
Do you watch movies with your cats?
Of course, sometimes they watch the TV, sometimes they watch me.
They sound very entertaining.
They are. My life is never boring.
Time's up, thank you. Please move to the next table.
It was really nice meeting you.
You too. Good luck tonight.
Thank you. I hope you meet someone wonderful.
Thank you. Hello, I'm Anna.
Hi, I'm Ben. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. How's your evening going?
Good, thank you.
Is this your first speed dating event?
Yes,
Mine too. I was very nervous before I arrived.
me too.
So, what do you do?
I'm an engineer.
That sounds interesting. What kind of engineer?
Software.
Oh, do you enjoy your job?
Yes, very much.
What do you like to do after work?
Read.
What do you usually read?
Science fiction.
I like reading too. Maybe you could recommend a good book.
Sure, I can. Anna, you're very quiet. I know I'm better at listening than talking.
Actually, that's a good quality.
Thank you.
Please move to your next table.
It was nice meeting you.
It was nice meeting you too. Good luck.
Thank you.
Hello, I'm Alex.
Hi, I'm Anna. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. So, what do you think of this event?
I like it. Everyone is very friendly.
Yes, but I'm actually very busy. I almost didn't come tonight.
Really?
I own my own company. I travel every month. London, Paris, New York, Singapore. Sometimes it's difficult to remember where I am.
That sounds like a very busy life.
It is, but I enjoy it. I also have 2 sports cars.
Wow, that's impressive.
Thank you. People say I work too much, but I like staying busy.
Do you have any hobbies?
Work, business books, the gym, that's about it.
What do you do to relax?
I answer emails.
Really?
No, I'm joking. Sometimes I play golf.
That's good. Everyone needs time to relax.
What about you?
I enjoy simple things. Walking, reading, coffee with friends, cooking, traveling.
Interesting.
Time's up. Please move to your final table.
It was nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you too. Have a lovely evening.
Hi, you must be Anna.
Yes, and you must be Daniel.
That's right. Would you like to sit down?
Thank you. That's very kind.
How has your evening been so far?
Really nice. I've met interesting people. Everyone is so different.
That's my favorite part. Every person has a different story.
I like that answer.
So tell me about yourself.
I'm Anna. I work in an office. I enjoy learning English. I like traveling, walking, and trying new cafes.
That sounds nice.
What about you?
I'm a photographer.
Really? That's interesting. What do you like to photograph?
Nature, cities, people. Sometimes I wake up very early just to photograph the sunrise.
That sounds beautiful.
It really is. Every sunrise looks different. Would you like to see a few of my photos?
Of course.
This one was taken in Ireland.
Wow, that's beautiful. The colors are amazing.
Thank you.
Do you travel a lot?
Whenever I can, not because I want luxury. I just like discovering new places and meeting new people.
I feel exactly the same.
Really?
Yes, sometimes the best memories come from simple days.
I couldn't agree more. Can I ask you something?
Of course.
Why did you come tonight?
Honestly, I wanted to try something different and maybe meet someone kind. Not perfect, just kind.
I think kindness is much more important than being perfect.
I think so too.
I was nervous before coming here.
Really? You seem so relaxed.
That's because I'm happy now.
Why?
Because I'm having a really nice conversation.
Thank you. That's sweet.
Ladies and gentlemen, our final conversation is over. Thank you all for joining us tonight.
I wish we had a little more time.
Me too. 10 minutes go by very quickly.
Would you like to continue this conversation?
What do you mean?
There's a small cafe across the street. Would you like to have a coffee with me? No timer, no bell, just coffee.
I'd like that.
Great. Anna, I think you're wearing my badge.
Oh no, really?
Now I'm Anna, and you're Daniel.
I guess we've already switched places.
Maybe that's a good sign.
Here, this one is yours.
Thank you. I'll try not to lose it again. I'm really glad I came tonight.
Me too. At first, I almost stayed home.
I'm happy you didn't.
So am I.
Sometimes one small decision can change your whole evening.
Maybe even more than that.
Shall we?
Yes, let's go.
This time, we can talk for more than 10 minutes.
That sounds perfect.
I'd like to hear more of your stories.
Only if you show me more of your photos.
Deal.
Tonight started with nervous smiles.
And ended with a new friend.
Or maybe the beginning of something special.
I guess we'll find out.
Thank you for watching. See you in our next story. Goodbye.